Isaac, get straight for 1 minute. Go.
I love fucking vaginas, especially when they're on their periods. It's so fucking delicious when they're bloody and beautiful. It's amazing. I especially love the taste of fish. It's amazing. I just can't fucking get enough.
Can't get enough of the fish.
I also just love sucking girls' nipples. I mean, milk is just amazing. I mean, it's just milk in the nipple.
What about girls' asses?
Oh, well, what isn't there to say about them? They're amazing. They're so fucking tight 'cause they're not fucking used to it. It's amazing. Oh my god.
What about kink in women?
What?
What's like the filthiest thing you want to do to a girl? Like the kinkiest, filthiest thing you want to do to a girl?
Oh, I want to basically
As an
fake.
heterosexual.
I want to fake orgasm. Then they turn around. Then I just come in their eye.
Shit.
Oh my god!
Grab claw power! Oh. Michelle,
I'm actually gonna
has Albert ever done that to you? I'm gonna do that. That's such a good idea. I'm done. No, not really. What's up? No! No! Why? What the fuck? You bet. Oh no, Michelle. No! Hit him with a chair. Fucking hit him with a chair. Yeah. Fuck him with one of the chair legs.
Right.
Rave that bitch.
I'm in pain.